Okay, the race in Kenya was good. I like the spirit, I like the people, the support that you guys bring. It truly makes sport really fun, knowing that you have people who support you, even though I'm not from Kenya, but the love that I got from people, it was awesome, I truly feel honored to be in the grounds of Kenya, If it was me, I was going to stay here.
Then we can see right now you have achieved your
No, I haven't achieved anything yet, This game is right, this game is rough. To be one of the greatest, you need to be against one of the greatest, I should take lessons from Mr. Omanyala, Akani, I still need to learn more about the sport. I still need to know how it feels, to be around the stage where there's great people and where there's great competition, I still need to get used to it as I'm like traveling as well. Travel to countries, I'm still trying to get my way into being pro, So, I truly appreciate it. It is an honor for me to be here.
And when is your next race?
Okay, my next race is next week at Jamaica.
Well, of course.